it's still the same trade. I mean, it's still the same pair we trade, which is GBPUSD and GBPJPY. So the week started on the 12th of February. So the first trade I took was on Monday, which was on the 12th of February. There was a GBPUSD trade on Monday. And unfortunately for me, it ended in a loss. I lost this trade. On the 12th. Yeah, I still have it marked. So basically, what I do mostly when I get on the charts, like I said, is I make use of the DXY. I'm still gonna do a separate video to talk about the power of the DXY. It has been working well for me personally. So when I check the DXY, I check the strength, check if it's going up or going down. And like I said, the DXY is negatively correlated with GBPUSD. So when it goes up, GBPUSD goes down. When it goes down, the GBPUSD goes up. So on this Monday morning, I checked the DXY, check the DXY on the 15th, on the 12th. So on the 1 hour time frame on the 12th, it occurred to me that price would likely seek the liquidity there. I felt like price will seek the liquidity here because we have some engineering liquidity around here. The price will most likely seek, because price was bouncing around this area at the time I checked. Price was bouncing around this area. This was on the 12th. This was on the 12th. So to me, a bias that very day was that the XY is going down for that very morning, which was on the 12th of February, Monday. So I went back. So I went back to GBPUSD. So I went back to GBPUSD, and all I was looking for was an opportunity to buy. Don't forget, the DXY and the GBPUSD is negatively correlated. So if the DXY is bullish, GBPUSD will be bearish, and if the DXY is bearish, it's going down, GBPUSD will go bullish. So coming here, and I saw that, okay, we've had a push phase for a long time on the GBPUSD. This was the push phase. This was the push phase, for a very long time. And now price is trying to exhaust. Price is trying to exhaust. Price is trying to exhaust. So I felt like that's an opportunity for me to capitalize on the movement upside. And it wasn't only exhausting, it was taking out some liquidity as well. It wasn't only exhausting, it was sweeping liquidities. Liquidity sweep, and breaking structures to the upside. I'll classify this as a break of structure. So on that very Monday morning, I went to the 15 minutes time frame, and this is a typical textbook structure for a bullish trade. In trading, sometimes you might see a very perfect setup or a setup that has a high chance of playing out and it won't. So I classified this as a book of structure. That Monday morning. So below this area here is the Asian low. It's obvious that price will likely come and sweep some liquidity there, and we also have an engineering liquidity here. We can call it extreme liquidity. So I was waiting for two things to happen. I was waiting for price to take out liquidity below the Asian low and the extreme liquidity. It did happen. Then I went to the lower time frame and was looking for just two out trade, and luckily for me it didn't play out. So then after that, I think we had CPI news on Tuesday. So I left despair since then, and I moved to GBPJPY. I moved to GBPJPY. So if you haven't watched my previous video on my previous weekly review, you can go check it out now. I've been also holding this trade. I still have it on. So I've been holding this trade since last week, Wednesday. Was it? I think Tuesday. So I said I'm gonna close around this high if it closes with a week. But I said I'm gonna leave it if it closes with a strong body, and on Monday morning it did close with a strong momentum. So I decided not to close it because I felt uh GBP still have the tendency of moving upward. So I didn't close it. So I was looking for opportunities to buy. So I marked these zones. I marked these zones. I sent it on the group. This was when I sent it on the group. Yeah, this was when I sent it on the group on Wednesday morning. So I also checked the JPY index to confirm uh my original bias, because everything about the JPY index is still screaming sell to me. You know, everything about it is screaming sell. Everything about it, everything about it. Even if you check the daily time frame, everything about it. So my end goal is to see the JPY index seek this sell side liquidity at the daily time frame. So then I analyzed the GBPJPY. Remember, I had one trade running. So all I was looking for was price to either react to this zone here or react to the extreme zone here. So yesterday I took like two losses on GBPJPY actually before I could finally get a hang on it. So I think I had a break even around here. Yeah, it was on Wednesday morning after I seen the trade, because I felt price could shoot up after taking out the liquidity here. Yeah. So I felt price could shoot up, and I tried to enter here and moved in my favor a bit and ended in break even. And then on Thursday morning, which was yesterday, as I'm as I, as I thought now, this is Friday morning, I'm recording this video. So on Thursday morning, after price had reached the extreme zone, I knew I wouldn't want to afford to miss the move. So I went to the 15 minutes time frame and I tried to enter and I lost. So upon re-entry, actually I didn't even think twice. I wasn't looking for extra confirmation or extra convincing entry pattern. Upon re-entry, after I saw this long wick push, I just set a buy stop and with a 30 pip stop loss, and currently the trade is running nice and it's moving well. So I still have two trades running, one from last week and one from yesterday. So my aim is hopefully if this also, if around here if the price pushes upward to this level and we saw a very strong momentum break of structure to the upside, I will still continue to hold. But if the momentum is not strong enough, I'll close full position, both the one from last week and the one I entered yesterday. I'll close it when price gets here. So let's see what happens. So it's basically simple stuff and nothing too much, not too much trades, not too much trades. That's like a total of 4 trades this week. One loss on Monday, one break even on Wednesday, one loss on Wednesday, making three, and the fourth one is moving nicely. So this was when I entered. I sent it on the group as well. Sent it to the group, and it was moving nicely. So the link to join the free Telegram channel will be in the description. So if you're interested, you might wanna join, and I'm just basically putting our stuff out there, people to be able to learn one or two. So this trade is basically a demand zone, you know, trade, and nothing too special about the trade, trust me. So I hope you guys learn one or two, and let me know. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and leave a comment below if you feel like you have any questions or contribution. Thank you for watching to the end, and see you in another weekly review next week. Bye.